Are binary options just normal options with all or nothing risks? Dan?
So they do share some similarities. The biggest difference is that all or nothing expiration, whereas a traditional option is very linear, meaning if market moves up a tick and you've bought the call, the value is going to change by a tick. The all or nothing aspect, being 0 or 100, creates, without getting too complicated, markets that would be otherwise flat. Because it's going to go to 0 or 100, you can see it really volatility just based on the contract really make it move. So it shares some similarities. You have time factor, you have volatility factor. However, when you look at a binary option and that all or nothing settlement, and this is also the one thing I want to point out, which is the biggest mistake people make, is thinking that they're all or nothing, which they are at settlement, but it's like trading anything else. All binary contracts are $100 contracts at Nadex. If you buy a binary at a value of say $30 and it goes to 50 or 60, you don't have to wait for it to go to 100. You can close it out early to lock in profits, or if it's going against you, just like any trade, you want to manage that risk. If you buy a binary at 30 and it drops to 25, 20, close out, mitigate those risks. I think that's one of the biggest mistakes people make with binary options is thinking they have to hold it until expiration.